Hello everybody, it's Alan here. Okay, this one here, this pressure switch here is for York. Luxaire York. York makes quite a few different furnaces actually, so there's lots of York furnaces that this pressure switch will work with. The part number is s1-02435286000. There's a couple more numbers on there too as well. It's pretty easy to change out. Got two wires to pull off, no big deal. You got two hoses here. Lightly pull them off real lightly. Be careful you don't rip the holes, or you'll be calling us back for a hose. Two screws. It screws on. Turn it back on. You'll have heat. We have these in stock. We can get that to you quite fast. So visit Heating Parts Canada, www.heatingpartscanada.ca.